Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ben, and today we got the Z Fold 4. This is just going to be an unboxing. I'll give you my full review in about a week or so. Man, I couldn't wait for this thing to get here. Oops, sorry about that. I got it a whole freaking week early. So we got the case, or the standing cover with the S Pen. And there's Z Fold 4. It's black. I didn't freaking order black. Hang on. Oh no, it's beige. Sorry. I just looked at it and I went, it's black. Oh no, because the letters are black. Usually the letters are the color of the device, so threw me off a little bit there. You know what I can't stand is when you see guys unpacking with a pen tip or a screwdriver or the keys. Oh god, I can't stand that. It bugs the hell out of me. It's like, god damn it, guys, use a knife. Here she is. Dun 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 dun. Oh my god. Would you look at that? Wow. I don't even want to take it out of the box. Wow. Is that pretty or what? Huh. Get this shit out of here. Oh wow. It feels significantly wider than the Z Fold 3. Feels significantly wider. Huh. We'll get into that later. Gold edges. What? Oh man. This is too cool. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait. What? The hell? Wow. Let's see. I don't know. Feels almost the same. Holding it in one hand. Nope. It feels wider. It definitely feels wider. Wow. Well, I said this before and I'll say it again. Samsung, you guys aren't playing fair. You guys aren't playing fair. You gotta let everybody else catch up now. That is so cool. I know my lighting in here isn't that great, and it gives it like this weird yellowish tinge to it, but it's beige, guys. It's beige. I usually don't do this until after I've charged it, but let's see. Let's see. Fold it. Oh, first fold. Damn. This thing is beautiful. Look at that. And the hinge is way, way, way smaller than the Z Fold 3s. And the Z Fold 2 stuck out pretty far out there too. Wow. And it feels more square. Like in your hand, it feels more squared off than the Z Fold 3. Still has quite a bit of a gap in there. The only reason that matters is if you put it in your pocket, you're gonna get a bunch of lint, dust, and shit down in this hole, and you don't want it to get in that hinge. So that's something they could work on. But other than that, I don't see anything else that I would say, oh man, this sucks, or this is bad. This is great. I love this. Fingerprint reader is... I always do my index finger on the reader because my thumb is always dry and it never works right. So on both of my thumbs, they're always dry and cracked. So I always use my index finger or my middle finger of my right hand. It's just a little tip for you guys in case you want to do that. If not, cool, do whatever the hell you want. I cannot shut this hinge on this thing or open this new thing or this new hinge without cleaning it. That's how anal I am. But it served me well because all my devices are still brand new looking. Wow. The hinge or the crease is nearly gone. I don't hardly see that crease at all. Crease is significantly better. Look at those sides. Gold. Oh man, it feels so premium to hold too. I don't even know if I want to put a case on it. But I will. So in the box you also get nothing else. The hell? Oh, there's my SIM card from AT&T. AT&T. And something else in here. Oh yeah, our cord. Can't forget that. Oh, and our SIM tool. Shit. I always leave that in there. I don't need that. I got 1,000 of those things laying around. So, like I said, this is just an unboxing. I'll give you guys my full review in about a week or so. And I wanted to apologize to you guys for not keeping up a consistent schedule with my videos. I'm getting better, but Mom had cancer. And I had to take care of her for a while, and it got kind of hectic there for a while because it seemed like we were going to Phoenix. We're driving to Phoenix about every other day or so. But she's better now, and she's got a clean bill of health now. She had surgery and she's got a clean bill of health now, so she's doing better. and I am too now. So you guys will see a lot more videos coming your way. I'm not gonna put the case on, I just wanted to see, like, unbox it real quick. Oh, that's cool. Pretty cool. Very cool. Here's this pen, this pen, this pen, or the S pen, however you want to say it, this pen. Oh, what the hell? It's the same as the... I'll be damned, it is the same. It's the exact same as last year's. Let me see. This is last year's. This is this year's. Last year's motivation. Old edition. Yeah, it's the same exact pen, guys. Huh. It's not wider, it's not smaller, it's not bigger, it's the same damn pen. So then that should mean that you guys will also see another video coming your way about the S pens and how the S pen for the Z Fold 4 will work on the Z Fold 3, and the Z Fold 3 will work on the Z Fold 4, hopefully. I ordered the beige case today, so I'll make a quick video about that when it comes in. I just got the black case because I ordered this from AT&T, and they're really cool about this. They give out all the free gifts that you get, other than the $200 that you get, but you give out all the free gifts too, guys. So something for you to think about if you're thinking about getting one. Maybe check out AT&T. And that is a shameless plug for AT&T, and I'm sorry, because I will say this, their service actually sucks. But I've had it out with them a couple of times and haven't really gotten anywhere about the service because they have no 5G. And you guys are probably wondering, why the hell are you with them, Ben? Why don't you use somebody else, Ben? Well, because I like AT&T. They're always real good to me. They always worked with me. They're always there for me if I have a problem. And those things are a little bit more important to me than better service right now, because I do have Wi-Fi and I have the 1 gigabyte set up, so I'm good. But that's it, guys. That's all that comes in the boxes. Did I show you guys everything? Yep, we got the charging cord, no brick, and my AT&T SIM card, books and shit, as Flossie would say, books and shit. I'm not going to file those to the side, I'm going to go over those. But that's it. This is Z Fold 4. Boy, I like it. Alright, well, if you guys want or need anything, just let me know in the comments below. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.